Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and another episode of Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the next day, Friday, and tomorrow is week's last session guys. लास्ट सेशन है वीक का और लास्ट कैंडल और वीक की कैंडल भी बनने वाली है नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए. सो व्हाट इज गोइंग टू हैपन गाइस? ये हमारे लेवल पे बस एक ही लेवल पे घूम रहा है गाइस. वीक में बनाऊं तो ये अभी तक वीक का कैंडल कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ, कल जाके कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. बट वी नीड टू डू एनालिसिस फॉर टुमारो. सो ये हमारा कैंडल कोई काम का नहीं है, बट इससे अंदाज़ा लगा सकते हैं कि कहाँ कम हो जाएगा कल, कहाँ बंद हो जाएगा कल. कम में भी बंद हो सकता है और अच्छी खासी ग्रीन कैंडल बना के भी बंद हो सकता है. ओके गाइस, लेट्स गेट बैक टू टुडे. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button and hit the notification symbol to get my videos and benefit from it. And I've been regularly posting in Telegram also. Please join the channel if you haven't done so. And let's start the analysis, guys. सो आज की कैंडल में एक रेड कैंडल बनी है गाइस आफ्टर अ फॉलो अप ऑफ 1 2 3 4 5 कैंडल्स. ग्रेवस्टोन डोजी, इसको ग्रेवस्टोन डोजी बोलेंगे. एंड इट हैज क्लोज बिलो दिस एंड दिस इज अ वेरी बेरिश साइन गाइस. वेरी बेरिश, वेरी बेरिश, वेरी बेरिश, एक्सट्रीमली बेरिश, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑन अ अप ट्रेंड में एक ग्रेवस्टोन डोजी बना है एंड इट इज गोइंग टू गो डाउन. And tomorrow, is it going down? No guys, it will not go down. इतना अच्छा कंफर्मेशन कैंडल मिलने के बाद में भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये नीचे नहीं जाएगा कल. कल के लिए तो नीचे नहीं जाएगा. अगर जाएगा भी तो फर्स्ट हाफ में ऊपर जाएगा. इट विल हिट द थ्रेशोल्ड लेवल ऑफ, लेट्स सी इन वीकली चार्ट्स वेयर इट्स गोइंग टू गो गाइस. एटलीस्ट 21,100 तक जाएगा. उससे ऊपर मैं नहीं देख रहा हूँ इसको. जाएगा तो मार्केट इज ऑलवेज सुपीरियर गाइस. वी विल रिस्पेक्ट द मार्केट्स. सो अभी इसका एनालिसिस करते हैं गाइस. इफ यू सी ओवर हियर, पहले तो हम रिट्रेसमेंट देखेंगे, रिट्रेसमेंट कर रहा है या क्या कर रहा है गाइस. 23 गाइस, ये इस लेवल को तोड़ के भी नीचे आ चुका है. दिस लेवल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. एंड इट हैजंट टेकन एनी सपोर्ट गाइस. ये सपोर्ट लिया नहीं है, but we'll see in 15 minute time frame, has it taken any support guys? Nope, it has not taken support. It has resisted to go down, but we will not call this as support. Support तो यहाँ बना है. If you see this red line guys, these are my वीकली लेवल्स गाइस. ये मैंने लास्ट फ्राइडे शायद बना के दिया था आपको. दिस इज द सपोर्ट, दिस इज द रेजिस्टेंस, दिस इज द मीडियन लेवल एंड दिस इज द मैक्सिमम वेयर द मार्केट कैन गो. मैक्सिमम तो अभी तक गया नहीं, मैक्सिमम बस इतना ही गया है. बट स्टिल हैव वन मोर डे एंड आई डोंट सी इट विल टच दिस level of 22,500. But I feel that it will not touch, but markets are always superior and we will respect the markets guys. Okay, so being said that, I feel that tomorrow is going to be a bullish day after a correction of 2 days, follow up of 1 2 3 4 5 candles you have got. ये दिन भी हम बुलिश ही मानेंगे. बुलिश था, ऊपर बहुत ऊपर तक गया एंड देन इन लास्ट फ्यू आवर्स ये नीचे आ गया. हाँ, मैं कल ट्रेड नहीं कर पाया. कल ट्रेड लिया था मैंने, बस ऊपर ही जाके शॉर्ट किया. बट ड्यू टू सम गेस्ट केम टू आवर होम एंड आई हैड टू क्लोज द पोजिशंस गाइस अर्ली. और मैं वीडियो भी नहीं बना सका, लाइव वीडियो, और मैं आपको आज का व्यू भी नहीं बता सका. सो दैट इज द रीजन आई डिडंट डू इट. एंड और आज भी मुझे बाहर जाना है. सो आई एम मेकिंग द वीडियो बिट अर्ली एट 5:15 बची है गाइज. सो आई एम मेकिंग अ वीडियो वेरी अर्ली टुडे as I have to go out. So guys, I don't see any I don't see these levels taking price taking support at these levels, and it has break through like nothing, it didn't respect at all, and 15 moving average के नीचे भी closing गया है, and it is just taking support on our level guys. So levels are on par like always, and कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा guys. Where how is the market reacting guys? This is not even respecting Fibonacci level or moving averages. ऐसे नहीं आना चाहिए. But I might be doing some mistake in not rectifying, in not identifying levels, key levels. Okay, this is quite, no guys, still ये यहाँ पे है 61.8 रेशियो का. यहाँ से अगर टच हो जाता तो ऊपर चला जाता डायरेक्ट आज ही के दिन. This analysis is going to be dicey guys for tomorrow, but what we can do, we need to do something. We need to have eye for detail all the times to analyze the market moves. Guys, one more thing I saw now. Let's see here. Nope. Okay. Yes, June 1st. Okay, guys, we'll do one thing. We will draw a Fibonacci level from June series, guys. June series, and bang on, guys. It has just taken a support at 61.8%, and it is taking support on our weekly levels of our what was supposed to be a resistance. हम resistance के ऊपर आ चुके हैं, and it has come down again. Our resistance, previous resistance has become support now. It is taking a major support on this guys. Keep note on this. It is going to boom tomorrow. कल ये ऊपर जाने वाला है, और मेरे हिसाब से, and you see guys, I told you the levels for the highest peak that may go tomorrow by breaching this level might be 21,100 or 21,200. This is the level. Let me mark these levels guys for tomorrow. I'm not seeing market moving beyond this, but jata hai, so I cannot do anything. So this will be it guys, and I don't see, and neither I see market is falling below this levels guys. So we'll keep this as green. This will be our support. Let's do it guys. Support for tomorrow. Top left. Okay, ये रहा हमारा support. We'll do this in middle guys. Center. Okay, this will be our support for tomorrow, and this will be our resistance. Guys, कल के दिन देख लेना. If these levels are on par guys, on par, then please do वापस आके इस वीडियो को बहुत ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आप लाइक कीजिएगा guys. Then this will boost my confidence in making even more better videos for you in terms of analytical and giving you a better value guys. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And also I'm providing my market views for the day. uh, you can subscribe, so you can join actually to my Telegram channel, and it's free. I'm not charging anything, nor I will do in coming days as well. So guys, these levels are just bang on guys. ये resistance, ये support बन गया, and median level कहाँ से निकालूं मैं? Okay guys, we'll drill down more. I'm not finding any levels. We'll go into 15-minute chart and see guys. So this is our support, and resistance I will keep it as red. So vice versa हो गया color, actually not a problem. So you guys are smart enough to identify guys, I believe that. And this will be our median level guys, 20,300. But I see market may come down to these levels. At least 20,000 तो आना ही आना है इसको अगर नीचे जाना है. what I feel tomorrow is market is going to move upwards in first half, then come back and resume the, क्यों बोलो मैं resume क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, resume the trend which is a downtrend now. Market is in downtrend perfectly because it has given a gravestone doji yesterday and a follow through candle without breaking a top of the uh, gravestone candle. So I believe this is a, we have entered a downtrend, guys. Even if tomorrow also, if this if the price pierce through this high of today, that is 21, what is the highest today, 21 141, but still I feel, and it does not break these high of gravestone doji और 21619 21620 का हाई नहीं ब्रेक करता है और ये कहीं पे भी क्लोज हो जाएगा इस, कल हमारा प्लेइंग जोन इज ओनली दिस गाइस, कितना रहेगा 1000 पॉइंट, 2000 पॉइंट, सॉरी गाइस, 2000 पॉइंट, almost 10% guys. This will be our playing zone for tomorrow. Market may be very volatile because it is on a medium term turnaround of the prices which has taken too steeply. uh, with respect to that, we will do the analysis and will provide you guys. So मैं क्या बोल रहा था आपको, सपोर्ट हो गया, रेजिस्टेंस हो गया, मीडियम लेवल वी विल बी 20,300. आई विल 20,300 तो ऑलरेडी है उधर. ओके, विल डू दिस एज येलो. ये हमारा वीकली रेजिस्टेंस था, अभी सपोर्ट बन चुका है गाइस. सो मीडियम लेवल विल बी दिस. Anything above this is positive, anything below this is negative guys, we can just say like that. And ये ले रहा है 61.8. we will forget all the previous behind, forget नहीं बोलेंगे, we will just ignore these data for now. This data will not be applicable for tomorrow's analysis guys. This is the best thing I'm able to align the stars. This stock market game is all about probability guys, so always do trading with confluence, even though the market might give you a number of reasons of not going to a trade which is on par with uh, market ka sentiments. But if your trading analysis is seeing you to do something or buy or sell, that is the time you have to take it out guys. You have to go according to your analysis, not because someone said, I said, or someone said, or even the market is telling you to do something. Your analysis is major guys. Follow your analysis or follow someone who's analysis. Analysis is the keys guys, key for the market. But yes guys, okay, I'll do one thing. I think too many lines are over here. I'll take this off, take this also off. ये तो मेजर सपोर्ट बन गया, अभी इसके नीचे नहीं आएगा गाइस, वॉट एवर इट इज. 18,900 इसके नीचे नहीं जाएगा. और मैंने ऊपर की ओर भी बता दिया है, रेजिस्टेंस 22,500, वो तो आने से रहा कल. बट मार्केट इज ऑलवेज सुपीरियर एंड विल रिस्पेक्ट मार्केट. दिस इज द 4th or 5th टाइम आई हैव बीन टेलिंग दिस. ओके गाइस, कल व्हाट आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट इज, if the market is opening a gap up, I feel it will be open a gap up because यहाँ पे ये नीचे आया, ये ऊपर गया, फिर नीचे आया और यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट ले रहा है एंड इट माइट गो अप मेकिंग अ डबल बॉटम गाइस. डबल बॉटम बना के ऊपर जाएगा. दिस विल बी द ब्रेकआउट फॉर दिस. लेट मी रिमूव द मैग्नेट्स. दिस विल बी द ब्रेकआउट लेवल ऑफ 2600. इसके ऊपर गया, ये एक रेजिस्टेंस का काम करेगा और इसको भी तोड़ दिया तो दिस विल बी द की लेवल गाइस. अगर इसको तोड़ के ऊपर जा रहा है तो इट कैन गो अप टू हियर गाइस, बट आई डोंट फील इट विल ब्रेक एनीथिंग टुमारो ऑफ 21,619 620 रेजिस्टेंस है हमारा कल का. उसको तो तोड़ने से रहा, मुझे नहीं लगता वो तोड़ेगा अभी. कल कितने का मूव है भाई? ओके, डू दिस. 5% move, 5% move here guys. Okay guys, this will be the median, this is the support. This will be a resistance, first resistance actually. This will be the major resistance. इसको हम निकाल देंगे. This will be irrelevant for us. Guys, मैं expect कर रहा हूँ market to open a gap up और ऊपर जाएगा. It might go and hit this, or it might even go over here, guys. This is all the probabilities. Then the market will turn around. I feel यहाँ पे support लेगा, फिर नीचे जाएगा, guys. This is what I can do. This is the first scenario, and this is the second scenario for this. यहाँ पे नीचे गया, ऊपर जा सकता है, guys, after testing this support. But this is, I don't feel it will happen tomorrow because it is taking support on 61.8 level of Fibonacci level retracement, and I that is my golden ratio, and I do believe that market's gonna go up for tomorrow, guys. मेरा बस इतना ही है. कल कल का बहुत सिंपल हो गया मेरे लिए. बहुत मैं ये कर रहा था, बहुत डिफिकल्ट फील कर रहा था मैं एनालिसिस को आज. बट इट हैज़ गिवन मी अ वेरी गुड लेवल्स एंड very good analysis for all those who are watching it, guys. This is what I'm feeling, and this is what this may happen, guys. this बोलना गलत बात है. So we'll do the same thing. पहले तो इधर डेली में देखेंगे. This is 1st June, guys. Bang on, guys. 50% retracement पे retrace करके ऊपर गया, guys, and we'll drill down more. Same thing what I did in Bank Nifty, I'll do the same thing in Nifty as well. We will draw a trend line over here and we'll see where is it taking support or resistance. ये support को अपने तोड़ चुका है, guys. Then but still it has come over here. Something is there over here, and that is Fibonacci level. We will zoom out and see what is there. What is these levels? Let me do this. 50% का 995, 9950, guys. 9950. We can draw. It is better to draw a horizontal line and put 9950, guys. Simple as that. 9950. कहाँ है बबुआ? What is here? Here is the gap down opening, guys. तो ये बहुत बड़ा की लेवल बन चुका है, guys. ओके गाइज, ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ ये नहीं होगा. Everywhere where the market stop or turn around, there is something, guys, because that was a, what do you say, a supply zone. Supply zone become a demand zone as well. Support become resistance, resistance become support according to the price. So ये सब होता है, guys. And this weekend I may release a video, educational video on support and resistance, and next will be the trend line. I'm just working on it. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon as well, so that these videos might benefit you in any way, guys. So यहाँ पे अगर ले लें इसको, yes, you can take it here also. Will for now I'll remove the Fibonacci level. As you can see, guys, यहाँ से ऊपर गया, फिर यहाँ गया. 100% कहाँ है, guys? Okay, close to it. 50% पे clear cut. Clearly it is taking support, guys. And trend line का भी ये है. You have got two confluences over here. And what else do you need? That is more than enough. 2 to 3 confluences are more than enough, guys. And I feel the market will go up. Here Nifty, I don't see any strong movement in Nifty, but I do feel we can get a pretty good points to be cashed in tomorrow by Bank Nifty. We can do so. I hope you guys are understanding what I'm trying to explain, guys. This will be the support, resistance, and this is the midpoint. As I've been doing the analysis, ये मेरा analysis करने का style है, guys. मैं एक midpoint डालता हूँ, उसमें support डालता हूँ, resistance डालता हूँ, then I see if I feel यहाँ पे एक छोटा resistance भी है, but I will not put that now. This is the major resistance. If you want me to put, that is not a problem, guys. I'll put it over here 21. So the price is down, so we'll take it downward guys. तो क्या रहेगा इसको इसको क्या बुलाएंगे हम लोग, मिड पॉइंट. ओके गाइस, ये रहा हमारा मिड पॉइंट. मिड पॉइंट रेफरेंस, midpoint reference guys. Okay, so support resistance midpoint reference. This is the first sorry guys, this was supposed to be the midpoint reference guys, extremely sorry. Midpoint. And guys, if you haven't watched my live intraday video for today, you can go ahead and watch it. आज का ट्रेड बहुत अच्छा जा रहा था. लेकिन ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको, टेक ग्लिच के लिए, टेक ग्लिच के वजह से मेरा प्रॉफिट नहीं हो पाया. बहुत अच्छे से प्रॉफिट हो रहा था, ऑलमोस्ट 100% प्रॉफिट में था मैं, 100% रिटर्न्स के प्रॉफिट में था मैं. वो नहीं मिला गाइस. 4-5 हज़ार तो ऐसे ही दिखा रहा था वो. एंड आई पुट दोज लेवल्स इन माय टेलीग्राम चैनल एज वेल, and that is free, you can join it. And that's it guys, I will put all these levels over in the description box guys. अभी के लिए हम निकालेंगे फिबोनाची लेवल और we will reset our this thing. ये भी हम, this will be the major support guys. जो कुछ मेजर नहीं है वो निकाल के फेंकेंगे अभी. this is also major, this is also major guys. ये तो है ही है अपना, इसको नीचे आने नहीं दिया गाइस, इसको टेस्ट करने नहीं दिया. टेस्ट कर देता तो बहुत अच्छा होता. ये हमारे लेवल को टेस्ट नहीं किया, but you can see it is taking a support on these levels. And I will draw one more trend line over here. Is this right guys? No, this is right. चैनल तो वाइड बन रहा है बट okay. So guys, this is the trend line where many points are meeting up. We can do here also and just say that many points are meeting. Nothing is right or wrong in this, but I feel we will take reference over here guys. So for tomorrow this will be our support guys. यहाँ पे नीचे इतना तो नीचे नहीं आएगा. 9800 को सपोर्ट रख ले क्या? No, this is our major support. This is the support. Take it in center. This is support, and this will be our reference point, which was 990. it क्या है? 990 midpoint reference. Midpoint reference. Okay guys, क्या हुआ इसको? यहाँ पे आ गया. ओके गाइस, ये यहाँ है एंड this will be the green. We will change this color as well. We'll keep this as resistance. So हो गया. कुछ बच रहा है. The minor support. Minor support is this guys. Yeah, I don't think so it will break past these levels also for tomorrow, but then it is taking support on 61.8 Fibonacci golden ratio level. So I feel there will be a strong buying tomorrow. What I feel is tomorrow. I feel the market is overall down in entering a downturn phase. As I've been explained you in starting itself, beginning of the video, that it has created a gravestone doji yesterday, and it has given up a follow-up candle today. That is on a bearish sign, but it has closed above the just on the levels, guys. So that is why I'm bullish for tomorrow, and that bullishness will fade out in second half. This is what I feel, and stay cautious, guys. All the best in trading, and that's it for the day. And if you guys have taken any insight with these videos, please do hit a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the videos, guys. And if you haven't joined my Telegram channel, the link to the channel is in the description. Please do go and join the channel. I'll be updating calls over there and give you my insight and views on a regular basis, and that channel is for free, guys. You can join it for free. I'll not be charging anything for that. And do hit the thumbs up. And that's it for the day, guys. See you in the next video, guys. And I'll be updating all these levels in description box, guys. All the best for the tomorrow, and hope you guys make money by seeing this video at least. And what do you say? If you benefit from this video, please do subscribe, guys. If whatever I have told in this video, if that happens tomorrow, guys, please come back to the YouTube and this channel, the stocks game, and please do subscribe and hit the like button to this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in the next video.